2 years ago, we set out to reimagine backyard birding, bringing you closer to birds everywhere. With your support, we created 100 million connections with nature and countless moments of joy. Welcome to the second chapter. Indulge your senses. Can you feel the vibrations with the tips of your fingers? There's a buzzing sound reaching your ears, the mellowest of breezes caressing your cheeks. It's a hummingbird. Be captivated as it hovers mid-air, sipping sweet nectar, carrying pollen from one flower to another, helping out the oh-so-busy bees. These little creatures brighten up our gardens, sharing their vibrant colors and tireless energy, inspiring us to appreciate nature. Behold the enchantment of our smart hummingbird feeder, drawing these mesmerizing beings closer still, weaving a tapestry of unforgettable memories within the sanctuary of your home. Notice how graceful flying dancers keep your garden jazzy and welcoming to everyone. Just like the humble hummingbird, gracefully flapping its tiny wings, maintaining the natural equilibrium, we must do our share. Every step of the way from our offices to your backyard, we are committed to supporting science and protecting the environment. Now also with a stunning bird bath for our feathered friends to splash and play to their heart's content. Capture photos and videos of these little fellas basking in the sun, showing you and your family an entirely new meaning of the term bird's eye view. Seasoned bird watchers already know, and new enthusiasts have yet to learn how to really inhabit the world, to marvel at its wonders, and be grateful for all living beings without exception. It may be a dream, but it's a dream you can make come true.
My dad tells me he's seen them all. Hummingbirds, gray catbirds, song sparrows. But pics, or it didn't happen. He's yet to secure any solid proof of his graceful visitors. As he spends his lonesome days waiting for the next opportunity to finally get that perfect photo, even he sometimes begins to doubt himself. Is it possible that the rare birds only chirp to him in his dreams? Surely, his neighbors think so. He doubles, no, triples, heck, he quadruples his efforts. Still, his photos are for the birds. Then, on his birthday, I get him the perfect gift. It's called Bird Buddy. It's a smart bird feeder that will notify him of the feathery friends in his backyard. It will capture their photos and organize them in a beautiful collection that is easy for him to view and share with others. See how pretty it is? And just look at my chirpy father. He's more excited than ever. Now he can rely on Bird Buddy to make the perfect shots he always seemed to miss. Are you a bird lover too? Or do you have one in your family? Get them Bird Buddy, 'cause everybody could use a buddy. Help us bring Bird Buddy to life by supporting us on Kickstarter. Let's shape the future of bird feeding together.
Tom likes birds very much. and doesn't want just to see them in books.
Dad, there's a bird! Look at the birdhouse!
It doesn't seem so easy to capture a bird.
Is it this kind of bird?
Maybe. Nor is it easy to be a good dad. But I don't want to see him disappointed. I found a smart AI bird feeder camera called Birdfy. It can automatically identify more than 6,000 species of bird. This is Birdfy feeder with volume of 1.1 liters. It automatically drops food for our lovely guests. The Birdfy cam captures the moments of birds coming. With a massive database of more than 6,000 species of birds, Birdfy cam can instantly use its cutting-edge technology and AI recognition to identify the birds and deliver the information directly to your phone.
Eurasian tree sparrow? Squirrel, go away!
Birdfy's enhanced 1080 pixel FHD lens and 110 degrees wide view angle capture the live streaming of birds visiting, and those moments will be saved in the NetView app automatically. NetView Birdfy Cam, as an AI assistant, helps us learn the birds, capture the perfect shots day and night, and become their friends. For your information, is waterproof. NetView Birdfy Cam, the choice of bird lovers.